masira ang organisasyon pinaghirapan natin. Mahigit mo sa dekada.
Miss Lily! Miss Lily! God, Miss Lily! It's been a long time. How are you? I'm good. Actually, guys, kanina ko pa kayo naririnig sa labas. Direk, how are you?
Ito. Stress.
Stressed? Hindi halata ah.
Ay, Miss Lily, ano po? Diyos ko, laki-laki niyo na po. Ano po, Miss Lily? Ang sabi kayo, sabi ko dami.
Oh, hi there.
Miss Lily, ko naman nakalimutan mo agad ako. Ako yung may nung culminating namin. Nag-judge nga po kayo. Hindi niyo po ba ako natatandaan? Wait lang po, Miss Lily. Spare a piece of bread. Do you see my mother? Do you see my father? Nakakilala mo ba ako?
Oh my God, was that you? I'm so sorry, my dear. I didn't recognize
Okay,
you.
ang lovely.
By the way, nice seeing you again. Guys, based on what I've heard, you're having a little problem here.
Unfortunately.
Well, let me share something. The rent